Hola chicos, la clase de Español 2, ¿cómo te va? ¿Cómo estáis? Estamos en la semana 7, trimestre 2. So looking at weekly attendance today too. Hoy es martes, es el 28 de enero. So 12 p.m. today, January 28th. Please get logged into Schoology and we'll make a notation regarding attendance. All right, what else? Espanol dos. Have you started or completed your Unit 2 summative tests? I believe after this coming Friday, things will be marked missing if you have not. What's the status of your weekly cuadernos? We have a few cuadernos out there. And Duolingo check-in every 2 weeks at 200 XP. Work at your own pace. Choose your own content to work on. And please reach out with questions. Zoom office hours, Mondays 6:30 to 8:30. There's that Duolingo reminder again. Course arc, if you need to sync, that is posted in the updates segments of Schoology. Hey, when in doubt, work it out with some Espanol as much as you can. The exception would be the culture piece when you're probably going to write responses in English. Voice thread, there is a formative practice assignment still out there, looking to add a new summative assignment very soon. And finally, la frase motivadora de la semana. Un solo pensamiento positivo al comenzar la semana puede hacer la diferencia. We may have seen this one before. I had to add it again. Just a one or only a positive thought to begin the week can make all the difference. Que tengas un buen semana durante la semana, chicos. Nos veremos. Chao.